Hi, Ed Schutz, Homewood Chevrolet. Did you just get hit with a big repair bill? Did you just get hit the cost to fix that car again and again and again? Well, here at Homewood Chevrolet, we have the answer. It's our extended warranty program. We offer it to everybody, whether you bought the car here or somewhere else. So I mean imports or domestic, GM or non-GM. We offer anywhere between 1 year to 5 years, 12,000 miles, 150,000 miles, zero deductible. Yes, zero deductible. 0% financing, all to fit your needs. And we cover your part, your labor, your car rental, and your towing.
Towing too?
Absolutely.
That sounds great.
So come on down to Homewood Chevrolet and be part of the family here.